die. We went back to the medical building to try and catch the sick orange kitten that we couldn't get the day before. He was still hiding behind the locked gate and was very difficult to catch, so we brought out the drop trap. Luckily, we were able to trap him on the first try. He didn't want to transfer himself, so we had to hand transfer him into the smaller crate. Once we got him home, we started assessing him. We weighed him and looked him over. He had a lot of flea dirt, feces stuck around his tail, little cuts on his face, and exceptionally dirty ears. We dewormed him. We cleaned his ears, which consisted of a lot of scrubbing as there was built-on dirt since his birth. We cleaned his little eyes and cut off the matted poop. Once we got him cleaned up, he was more at ease. We were able to reunite him with his sister, and now they are both under our care.
It's okay, Mama.
Yesterday, we were called to rescue some kittens that were behind a medical building. We originally thought it was only 2 sick kittens, but when we arrived, it was an entire colony. The kittens were smart and were hiding behind a locked fence that we didn't have access to. We were able to lure one baby out with food and get her over to the trap. We thought that we had her handled, but she had other plans. She jumped out, but luckily went straight back into my arms. I was able to get her again and put her safely into the carrier. We transported her home and immediately started treatment. We assessed her body and found that she had a lot of flea dirt. We applied a topical agent called Revolution, which takes care of fleas, ticks, mites, and other ailments. We also dewormed her. She then had a treat. Stay tuned for further updates on this beauty. We were called to rescue a mom and 4 kittens. She'd given birth in someone's front yard. This area is known for stray dogs and dog attacks on feral cats. We were able to hand trap Mom and get her into a crate. We then pulled out her babies one by one. These kittens were only a day old. It's crucial to rescue Mom so that she can care for them when they are this small. Although bottle feeding is possible, kittens this young only have a 50% chance of survival without their mom. We had them separated for transport, and once we got them home, they were reunited. Mom did an amazing job with her babies. She cared for them, and they grew up quickly. All the kittens have since been adopted and went to their loving forever families. Mom got a home too. Please consider donating to our cause so that we can continue to save more lives. You can donate via the link in our bio. We were called about an injured kitten that had been living in a sewer outside of an auto body shop. His leg was injured and he was having a hard time walking. He was also covered in engine oil. We noticed immediately that he was shaking and warm to the touch, indicating he may have a fever. As expected, after taking his temperature, he did have a fever, which was most likely due to the trauma in his leg. We gave him a bath to wash off the engine oil and also noticed that he was covered in fleas. We have a kitten shampoo that we lather onto the fur that suffocates the fleas and allows us to kill them without using chemicals. This is Lincoln, and this is a flashback rescue to June of last year. Lincoln has since fully recovered and got adopted by a loving forever family. We will be continuing to share videos of our rescues from before we were on TikTok.
Para ver dónde, para nosotros andan loco.
Vayan despacito.
Ya lo cortaste. A la bestia, el cuello. Ya lo terminaste. ¿Por qué traes rojo ahí? ¿Por qué traes sangre?
Voy a traer la gata para que lo mire todo.
Dale. ¿Dónde lo dejaste abandonado?
Ay, ya se para abajo. Cuidado,
Quítate, voy a hacer para allá, pues. Ahí está. Vente para acá, chico.
Ya no hay más.
Pobrecito, ya se está deshidratando.
Llévatalo, güey.
Tiene agua.
Llévatalo.
Look at these little guys. It's all right. Okay. You're frozen to the ice. You've been here all night? Oh, man. Okay, hold on. Come here. Someone dumped you guys, eh? That's all. That is so cruel.